Good day, McKeever's. No, not McKeever's. Good day, Pottinger and Weber's kids.
Good day.
It's actually 12:03, so it's afternoon, yeah. 8.1 divided fractions. You guys, are you capable of dividing fractions?
Yes.
Yes. All right, inverse operations. On the count of 3, I want to know what the definition is for inverse operations. 1, 2, 3.
Opposite operation.
Class, what is the inverse for addition?
Subtraction.
What is the inverse for division?
Multiplication.
Sweet. Another word that means opposite is reciprocal. A reciprocal, in fraction form anyway, is taking a fraction and literally flipping it upside down. Actually, maybe not literally, but like changing it so that the bottom is the top and the top is the bottom. Okay, so here are a couple of examples of reciprocal fractions. All right, remember me. Okay, on the count of 3, we're going to read number 3 together. On the count of 3, 1, 2, 3, go.
When dividing fractions, flip the second multiply.
That wasn't as good as at the end there. When dividing fractions by flip the second multiply, is that something you're going to need to remember for the rest of your life?
Yes.
Yeah, so technically we're never going to be doing some division. Eyes are up here. We're always going to be doing multiplying when we're dividing fractions. When dividing fractions, flip the second to multiply. So here we go. Here's an example. We have 3/4 divided by 1/2, yes?
Yes.
Are we dividing fractions? Yes or no?
Yes.
So we actually have to rewrite them because when dividing fractions, flip the second to multiply. Are we flipping 3/4? Yes or no?
No.
No, it stays 3/4. So 3/4 stays 3/4. Are we flipping 1/2?
Yes.
So when dividing fractions, flip the second. So the second fraction is 1/2. We're going to flip it over to 2/1, right? And then we're no longer dividing. We are now...
Multiplying.
From there, you simply just have a multiplication problem. You're multiplying numerator by numerator, denominator by denominator. We had an improper and a non-reduced fraction, so we reduced it. It was still improper, so we changed it to a mix. You guys cool with all that?
Yes.
Can 6 technically be treated as a fraction, yes or no?
Yes.
Remember, 6 can also just be 6/1, right?
Yes.
Because we have the second fraction, or the second number as a fraction, we have to flip it, right?
Yes.
Okay, cool. This guy right here. We have 3 1/2 divided by 2 2/4, yes?
Yes.
Can you work with, or can you calculate with mixed numbers?
No.
No, so all of you switch these into impropers, right?
Yes.
We still have our division sign, yes?
Yes.
So we're going to rewrite the fraction as 7/2. When dividing fractions, flip the
Second.
the second becomes 4/10, and we're going to multiply, right?
Yes.
Last thing. This problem down here. Ooh, I went way too far. This was about Zoe's and Aryan's snakes. Good testing strategy, or good strategy to solve a word problem is to draw a...
Picture.
Say again?
Picture.
Picture, draw a picture, draw a picture, draw a picture. And then that would help you figure out what the actual problem is that you have to write. We cool with all this?
Yes.